welcome and thank you so much for enrolling on this course, which will be the complete guide to absolutely killing it on Instagram. I'm a social media consultant and I have helped brands, businesses and personal accounts grow their following into the thousands and tens of thousands. But it all started with my own personal Instagram account. I have worked really hard on building my Instagram brand, and I noticed that as soon as I hit around the 5K mark, I could really see the results. I started to actually get clients directly from Instagram, and that is why it is such an amazing platform if you can get it right. Now, I will say that this course is pretty advanced and intended for people that already have an account on Instagram. If you're completely new to Instagram, then maybe try starting with my beginner's course before you move on to this course, because some of the strategies require you to have a more mature account on Instagram. But by all means, work your way through this course and go slow and steady with these techniques and you'll catch up in no time. I strongly advise that you take this course and all of its modules in order. Don't skip any sections. I know that you're going to want to skip to the juicy bits, the marketing strategies, the parts about how to boost your engagement and get more followers. But the initial modules are so important for that. They're all about optimizing your profile and creating amazing content. And without that, the modules later on will not be as effective if you haven't set those up right first. I also want you to be part of the Super Soph student community. Let's start by getting followers right here, right now. Post your Instagram username in the questions section to this course. I will follow you and I advise you to follow everyone else that has posted their name there. And then if they do the same to you, you will immediately have more followers before you've even started this course. How about that? Here's a quick summary of the course and what we're going to look at in each module. First of all, we're going to look at your Instagram profile and how you can set it up in the best way possible that is going to attract followers to your account. After you've got those essentials set up, I'm going to show you strategies for how you can find the right kind of people that complement your brand, could be potential leads for your business, and how to get them to come to you. Next, we're going to look at strategies for content. I'm going to give you ideas for what you can post on Instagram that's going to give you traction, engagement, and followers. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Instagram for business, the pros and cons of switching to a business account, Instagram's analytics, and how you can use all of these features to your advantage. We're going to look in detail at Instagram's ever-changing algorithms, the latest updates to the app, and how you can manipulate those algorithms to get your posts on the top of everyone's feed. I'm going to show you unique ideas for content that you can put on your Instagram stories, Instagram highlights, and use for Instagram Live, and how you can use all of these features to drive followers to your account. I'm also going to look at something that a lot of people don't talk about, but everybody is using, and that is bots. Software outside of Instagram that can increase your engagement and your following if used safely and correctly. By this point in the course, if you have used all of the strategies that I show you, you will have already driven a lot of followers to your account. And in this section, I'm going to show you how you can convert those new followers into potential clients and paying customers. I'm going to give you my own personal marketing strategies, my blueprint for how I get clients on Instagram, and how you can generate sales without appearing salesy. Now, don't forget, this isn't a course where you can just learn and then the followers will magically appear. You have to actually apply these techniques. So make sure that you're doing that as you go along. I'm so excited to be joining you on your Instagram journey, and I'll see you in the first lecture to this course.